model, 2017 Ford Transit 352.0 TDCI starts runs needs repair wet belt Euro 6 Vat Inc. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 126551. MOT, the 28th of April 2026. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. There is a popping sound coming from the intake. We suspect the wet belt, cambelt, has started to fail and is 1 or 2 teeth out of timing. This should be a straightforward, wet belt replacement job either way. If you know what you're doing, it's a simple repair, still starts straight away, but just a slight popping sound, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left.